can create pipelines to success one step at a time, one day at a time, and with one child at a time. But it'll take each and every one of us, and that's why we are gathered here today. And you may be wondering, what is Planting People Growing Justice? The honor is, it's in our name. Our name is about each and every one of us coming together when we see a problem, making a commitment to creating a solution. And growing justice is the manifestation of our work, whether it's here in Rondo, and we are very intentional to have you here in the Rondo community, or wherever you are, because you can make a difference and create change in meaningful ways.
Next, Queen Quet is the leader of the Gullah Geechee Nation. She travels around the world sharing her culture, history, and education. Her work helped create a law to protect Gullah Geechee heritage and support the community. She also writes books, appears in films, and leads events that teaches and celebrates their traditions. And we give a round of applause.